The online education market is on track to hit $279 billion, and most creators are completely missing where that money is actually moving. I dug into the data, and it's pulling into 3 specific offer types right now. I'll give you all 3, the price ranges and the completion numbers that prove which one works, including the format that gets 85 to 96% of buyers all the way through to the finish line. So let's go. If you sell anything in the knowledge space, courses, coaching, memberships, digital products, this is your money map for 2026. Quick myth to clear. People did not stop spending money buying courses and coaching. The market is growing by about 8% a year. They're just spending much more carefully, which means value moved. So here's where it moved. 3 offers. Smallest to biggest. Number 1 is the one most people underestimate. Low ticket is growing fast. Offers under about $250 that you can sell straight off of ads or to a fairly cold email list within a week of someone joining. But it can't just be information. It has to be a pathway. I saw an ad for a 25-page fill in the blank PDF that walks you through launching your first digital product, step by step, and it's brilliant because that's exactly what AI can't give you. When you don't know what you don't know, you don't even know what to ask. A good low-ticket offer hands people the questions, not just the answers. Number 2 is where the real margin starts. Cohort programs. They're priced anywhere between $500 and $2,500, possibly even up to $5,000, where people buy your unique methodology and they get a lot of implementation and coaching as a group. There's a clear start and a clear end, and everyone is moving through together. And here's why it's the sweet spot. Cohort style programs report 85 to 96% completion. Those big self-paced courses, 10 to 20 if you're lucky. And you can charge 3 to 5 times what the same content earns as self-study. People pay for the experience, and they pay for the immersion and for actually finishing and having help doing so. This is exactly what I'm doing in Ads Foundations at the moment. It's a 12-week cohort, fixed intakes. Everyone starts and ends together. And number 3 is the highest margin offer in the whole industry. It's coaching. In all the data I found, it's the highest priced niche with a median around $530 per session. But 2 rules. Don't sell it as a standalone session and don't lead with it. Coaching is the top of your ascension model or your ladder. When you've got low ticket offers that leads into a cohort that leads into coaching, the coaching almost sells itself. Your pipeline is full of people who already know your methodology and want more of your time to get there faster. Tiered is what makes the premium offer easy. So there's a map. A low-ticket pathway to bring people in, cohort where the transformation and the margin live, and coaching as the premier tier at the top. Build the ladder and you stop depending on one funnel that can bleed out. Now, knowing which offers work is one thing. Building yours so it actually delivers is a whole nother thing. So if your offer's gone a bit quiet, I show you exactly how to rebuild it for this market in this video over here. So go watch that next. I'll see you in it.